Hello everyone. In this video, we're going to discuss the inventory module in details. It helps businesses manage their product inventory without any hurdles. So let's check it out. As you can see in the menu bar, inventory dashboard, overview, operations, product, reporting, configuration. Here you can see the inventory dashboard. You can use filters week-wise, month-wise, quarter-wise, yearly. You can check your inventory reports, your aging reports, your top selling products, your stock moves, your product moves, your stock per location, your alert expiry, all the details you can show has been shown in your inventory dashboard. You can edit the layout or you can add according to your requirement whatever you want to add. Now first we will start with the warehouse. In the configuration, you will set the settings, you will set up your warehouse. Simply you will create the warehouse. If you have multiple warehouse, then you will create locations too. Then we have operation types. Mainly we have three operation types: receive, delivery orders, and internal transfer. These are used in terms of transferring goods from one location to another. You will just simply create it. Then we have put away rules. It's mostly used, it's a process of taking product of the receiving shipment and directly putting them into the appropriate location. For example, in a big retail store, in a vegetable section, you will put the vegetables. So simply to avoid storing product wrongly, you can put away rules set. Then we have product category. You can simply create a product, as I'll show you here. Simply name the category. It's the parent category. Force removal strategy is first in, first out product, or last in, first out, or first expiry, first out. You can select according to your requirement. Then we have costing method, standard price, which is a product or valued at its standard cost given on product. Then we have first in, first out, the product valued based on first enter and first leave, and average cost valuation based on weighted average cost. So you will select that. You can select inventory valuation manually or automatically, that depends on you. And here you can enter the accounting details. So let's save it, and it's show in your product category. Then we have attributes. You can simply create like a product, like size wise you can create, or you can create it by color wise. You can select the add value like small, medium, that's up to you. And you'll simply save it. So here you can see the size. Here I can show you the reordering rules. You can set the reordering rules from here. Simply you need to create it. Like you need to add the product name, minimum quantities, and maximum quantity. You can also, add the multiple quantity. Mostly the minimum quantity is the amount of stock at which one scheduler trigger, say from a lack of enough product in stock, and maximum quantity amount of stock that should be there in stock, and quantity multiply its lowest amount of product that can be ordered at once. So you can set it here, and from here you can run scheduler manually, which will automatically create a purchase order of this product. Now we go into the operations and create transfer. Let's create a transfer. Here you will mention the vendor contact, your destination location, select it from the product from location wise, your operation type. You can select which mostly three received and delivery orders or internal transfer. Select the one here, and here the source location will automatically be selected when you select the operation type. Then you add the product. How much you are going to demand? Lamps. So here's the delivery address, As mentioned, where you receive is where you will be receive this product from. So the vendor, which vendor you're going to select here. Then the operation type, select type receive for receiving product. Then we have destination location for where you're going to receive the products. So here you're going to receive the product in your warehouse. Let's save it. Mark as to do. Here you can see you have the scrap product option. Scrap product is basically the waste product, or you can say we use it for scrapping defect products which have no economic value. For example, a broken bottle, so you can add it into scrap. Here you can see you can manually done it here, or you can automatically just click it and just create it. So after entering the demand, we can after putting all the details, we can select the mark as to do, and then we can validate it. We can unreserve this. These are, as you can see, 10 quantities are reserved. If you want to unreserve it, you can simply click it here, scrap, unlock. If you want to change this quantity, you can unlock it and change it. If it is locked, you cannot change it. So we will validate it. Here it is asking me the quantity we have demanded. Have we accepted the same quantity? Yes, we did. So here the done quantity we have received. If you want to return this quantity product, you can simply click on return. So the transfer has been made. Let's see here. Here you can see the status. So it's done. Next we'll do the replenishment. So launching replenishment trigger a manufacturing order or request for quotation automatically. It's actually used to stock up certain product, which is in order to avoid stock out. Simply you will create in here, select the product, location is already set, on hand quantity you can select it, preferred route it should be buy for replenishment, maximum quantity and to order you can add, and then save sim. Here it is. Here we have now inventory adjustment. You can create inventory adjustment, or you can just do it via barcode scanner. You can create it here if you want to, like inventory, select the location, your product, counting date, and then start inventory. Here you will select the product, on hand quantity, how much quantity counted, and then you will save it, and then validate the inventory. The inventory has been now validated. You can also check the product moves from here. As you can see, from this location to this, and this quantity is done here. Also, we have the product moves option in the reporting. You can check the products from where they have been moved. The first reference product from to in this quantity, and the status is also shown here. After that, you can create product here. In the product section, simply create as we have already created in the transfer. Let's edit it. You can see we can edit consumable, or if you want to track your product, you can select the storable products. Okay, here we're selecting it as a consumable product. There are three options you can select. The product type, then the product category you can select here, and then the price. We will set the sale price, we could say customer price, and here's the production price. That is the cost. If you want to add text, you can add it, otherwise you can leave it. Here now we have saved it, and it's done. Our product has been done. Here you can see the put away rules, purchase order, sold, product moves. You can also check it from here. Now we can create product variants if you want to. Here you can simply create the products variants, as we have made the variants. As you can see, the sales price, the point of sale. First you need to, first thing which I have forget, is in product. If you want your product to be shown in point of sale, you need to click it, select this. Otherwise, your product will not be shown in point of sale. And if you want to select any category, you can select it here. It's your sales information, your e-commerce, your purchase. You can add vendor here if you want to. Add the price here. Inventory information, load by, your accounting details, and journal information. And variants, here you can add the variants, the way product variants. Like size, if you want to size the first we have created, then you can select the size, small, medium, or if there are any colors, you can select the colors too, and then you'll save it. Configure the variants, and here it is, your product variants. Now we have landed cost here in operations. You can create landed cost. Simply select the vendor bill, the number, the transfer number, and then you simply select the product. You want to split the method by quantity, by weight, by volume, you can do that. And landing cost, let's say it's 100. We'll validate it. So landed cost is actually the shipment cost. To find the, you can accurately calculate the profit, how well business is performing. So you need to add the shipment cost in the product. So for that, you must have select the inventory valuation automatically, and costing method should be FIFO or average cost. Otherwise, it will show error. So it will show that you will add the landed cost here. Now in reporting, we have stock report. You can select the product, like your lamp product or any other product you can select here. Select the category, the location, and simply you can export the data. The report will be exported in Excel file. Then you have inventory report. You can select, you can see here the warehouse, the quantity, the available quantity, and the value. Simply you can check it. Inventory update, you can simply click it, or you can download it simply. Just like in the Excel report, it will be something like that. This is the reserve quantities, your available, the total stock, stock age, your product information and location. Then you have forecasted inventory. It's a forecast the way towards setting the stock expected for future. So you can quickly retrieve forecasted with the help of graphs simply. Or you can use some filters, group by. You can add some custom group according to your requirements. Then we have inventory valuation. It's inventory valuation report. It's the value of the available products. Value is being calculated based on cost price. So this is your cost price. This product cost price is the total value. And here's the quantity. Then we have product one. We have already discussed it. Location wise, from to. As you can see the overview, this is the overview of the operations. Whatever operations you created in configuration will be appear here, like delivery orders, and it will say how many to process. One is waiting, 3 late, 1 back orders. All the information will be shown here. Also shipping methods configuration, you can set it from here. It's up to you. According to your requirements, you can set it. So we have discussed the inventory module in details. Thank you for watching.